So as expected, there is no thermal paste.
There was some here, but it's kind of gone. Burned itself away over the years. This is a nice cooler though. Copper, look at that duct. So let's clean this up and
Throw some new thermal paste, clean that guy, and see how it sounds.
oh no, what is that? Somebody's cat? Clean that side.
Clean there. Nice and quiet and clean. So the CPU fan is clean. That's good. This was replaced. CPU fan is clean. The rear fan was replaced. This one didn't move at all when it first started. Now we're on to the Radeon. I was going to test it out, but under firmware it was running 90 plus Celsius, so I expect this to be as dirty as the fan. So we're gonna put in a GTX 1060 instead and do some tests while we work on this.